Hello cookbook friends, my name is Carrie with Cookbook Divas, and let's look through Wild Child, an adventure cooking with kids cookbook by Sarah, either Glover or Clover, I think it's Glover. I don't know anything about this book, including the author's last name apparently. It's by Prestel Publishers, and everyone has been talking about it, so let's check it out. I never do a sneak peek through these before I look through them with you, so we all see them at the same time. I love these end papers, that's gorgeous. There's a whale, and a peach, and a anchor, and a witch's hat? No, it's a wave, and a crab. Photography by Kat Parker. The chapters are Intro, How to Use This Book, How to Build a Fire, good info, your kit, Playhouse, Little Women, Sabella and the Pirates, Kids Camp, and Down to the Sea. Okay, so the introduction. I'll never forget the first time I caught a fish. Looks like a good summer adventures cookbook. I am an aunt who's had many summer adventures with my nephews, and we only went fishing for the first time this year, now that they're 14 and 18 and 20. Well, I'm sorry, I'm a vegetarian, I don't know how to fish. Okay, lots of beautiful photography, how to use this book, how to build a fire. I only know how to make a fire in my fireplace or my fire pit in the backyard. Let it burn, let's cook, pack it up. Your kit, stuff you're going to need, including a tripod, an S-hook, enamelware, makeshift spatula, a pie iron, otherwise known as a jaffle. Okay, Playhouse, not sure what this is about. Let's be honest, none of us really want to grow up, she writes. True. Snack Attack, do we have our first recipe of the book? I'm actually having trouble reading the font because it's in a weird color and I'm old. I could whip out some glasses, but I wasn't that prepared. Okay. Hot fruit. That is a recipe. Fire salad. Whoa. And S&P chicken. I'm guessing that means salt and pepper, but the ink is so fair it's hard to see. Okay. Beautiful pictures though. Something called snitches. I guess I'll have to bring glasses with me for cookbooks that are very faint in the ink. Here's a whole roasted squash. Good luck getting your kids to eat it, but maybe if they've helped you cook over the fire, they'll be exciting. Wavy gravy. I like this. Okay, let's skip ahead. Ooh, sea lettuce cups cooked in cocoa, chocolate nut, excellent steaks, coleslaw, a cake that you're baking, something called apple toffs, and I like the step-by-step photos. Okay, Little Women. As a little girl, she writes, I was always trying to keep up with my brothers, taking every opportunity to join them on camping trips with Dad. I never understood why the great outdoors were only considered a man's domain. So this chapter is getting the girls out, and they're making kid crepes, camp bananas, a cream dream. These are adorable photos. Pigs and honey oranges, whatever that is. Something called a sweet smash. A Tommy Sal, tons of scones, I would say scones, yummy greens, breakfast toasties. Sabella and the Pirates is a chapter about what do you get when you invite iconic Australian stylist Sabella Court and a buccaneering crew of kids to Riverhawk for a weekend of fun. Well, you'll have to read the chapter and find out. But here's some lobster rollovers, some salty rolls, mussel coals, sticky buns. Here's Kids Camp, an entire chapter with pop tins, blue birthday cake. Doesn't look blue, so I'm confused, but okay. Mud cakes, we've all made those, but these you can actually eat. Something called a laughing pikelet, looks like a pancake. Veggie rollover, pasta necklaces. Okay, that's super fun. Super fun. Okay, Down to the Sea, the final chapter. Fish on a string, salty smashed spuds, corn on a string, fun, newspaper fish, spud rosti, a creme fraiche tartar sauce, yum. How are you going to keep it cool? I guess in your ice chest. This is overall a really sweet book. It's really cute, definitely for the adventurous. I'm going to get off camera, put on some glasses, and actually read through and see what's going on because the ink is a little bit faint. But I definitely recommend this. It's Wild Child, Adventure Cooking with Kids by Sarah Glover or Clover. That's a weird font. Okay, anyway, Thanks for watching. You can see more of our confusing cookbook reviews and blog info and news shows, etc. at Cookbook Divas. We're on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, our blog, and Pinterest occasionally. Bye.